Good morning, everyone. This is your Monday weekly video, pre-recorded. Today is September 28th, 2020. I am Miss Miller. Here we go. All right, so this is our agenda that we will be covering in this lesson. So we're going to go through some expectations. I'm going to give you some news about our test. I'm going to go over the work for the week and do a review of some notes that we have covered so far. All right, some expectations. I went through this in class, but it keeps happening, so I'm going to keep saying it. Stop turning in blank assignments, okay? They're getting zeros. They're making you fail. Stop doing it. All right, watch the weekly videos before your first live class. I'm pretty sure that goes for most of your classes, so do it. Watch these videos before you come to your class on Tuesday or Wednesday. Try your best on assignments the first time, okay? This is important. You're going to spend way more time redoing assignments if you don't take them seriously the first time. All right, let me move my head. All right, so some test news. The test is delayed until Tuesday, October 6th, when we get back from our little 4-day weekend. The Common Lit scores were way too low for me to justify giving a test. And if you didn't pass it, this has been reassigned to you. And by passing at the high school level means if you scored less than 60%, you didn't pass, which means you need to redo this assignment. If you scored higher than 60%, but you don't like your score, you can request to redo it, but you need to ask me specifically, okay? It is going to be a mastery grade, which means it'll be worth about half of our actual test next week, okay? And I think it should be a mastery grade because I'm giving you many chances to do this and then redo it if you don't like your grade. Please do a good job on it. Plagiarism has been a huge problem. Plagiarism was one of our words that we covered at the very beginning of the year. Plagiarism is using other people's words without giving them credit. I'm not seeing just plagiarism as in taking directly from the text. I'm seeing plagiarism where you guys are Googling the answers, especially to the ERQs. I can tell when they're not your words. So stop plagiarizing, okay? You're not going to learn anything from it. On the last two questions, number 6 and number 7, race, restate answer, cite, and explain has to be used. There are very few other ways to get full credit on number 6 and number 7. If you are having trouble with number 6 and number 7, attached to the assignment is a video where I go through very slowly, and you can watch it again and again. I go through very slowly how to approach these ERQs, and I break down the question and explain how it's asking. So please watch that video if you're having trouble with the ERQs at the end of the Common Lit assignment. All right, so work for this week, as usual, is this video and the quiz that follows, your main assignment, the weekly journal, and the reading log. If you have questions about these, please ask. So again, I'm going to repeat myself. If the main assignment for this week is to redo the same assignment labeled number 008. I have moved it to week 6, so you shouldn't get confused. You also need to remember that it is a mastery grade. I know I just said that, but I need to repeat it. If you did well the first time, then all you have to do is the weekly journal, your reading log, and any missing work. But if you did not do well the first time, it has been unsubmitted, and you need to redo the assignment. All right, and I just want to say this. This assignment is the same. The only thing that I have changed is the week. I don't want to hear, I've already read this. That means you didn't watch this video very closely. You're being asked to redo the assignment for a better grade. All right, so just looking forward to next week. Next week will be the test on the same text, okay, but it will be asked in a different way, and it is worth twice as much as this assignment. So get ready, be prepared. And one of the ways that you need to be prepared is to know what your notes are that we've covered. So far this year, and you might want to take a picture, so far this year, we have covered race. So if you don't know what race stands for, you're not going to do very well on the test. We have covered what paraphrasing means and quoting. We have covered making inferences and how to do that. And we've covered plagiarism. And then we covered this characterization tool called STEEL. So if you don't know what STEEL is, you probably need to write it down and practice using it. Speech, thoughts, effect on others, actions, and looks. And we look at all of those things when we're thinking about how an author developed a character. And you might want to go ahead and take a picture of this so that you can make sure that you have a good understanding of these. Okay, that is it. I will see you in class on Tuesday or Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching.